It's here, it's here, it's here. I do that every time I get something. Okay, this is a Chuck Ward knife maker's vise. You bolt this down to your bench, or you can use this and you can put it in your vise. But I'm not using that. I'm going to bolt this down to my bench. So here's how you work this. Want to work on your knife? You can work on it this way. You can loosen this up. You can turn it. You can work on it this way. You can turn it upside down and work on it. Tighten it up here so it doesn't turn on you. Loosen this up. Oh, that could have been a toe. I'm really happy to have this. I've been making do with this old drill press vise that, you know, it worked. But this is really going to help me make better knives. And here's the kicker. I am now a dealer. You want a Chuck Ward knife vise? Contact me. bctruck@gmail.com. I will hook you up. 140 shipped to your door in the U.S. All right, there's the bracket mounted. I'm not going to use the other bracket. This is where I'm mounting it. The other bracket that comes with it, corner bracket, is for a vise, mounting it in a vise. And if you do that, you can also, you would be able to tip this thing up like that, but I can't foresee me ever having that need. I do have a vise, and if I wanted to, I could, you know, take this off, but I'm not going to. Let me get this mounted. Be right back. I likey. You can turn that knob. You can turn this knob, you can turn it upside down. If you want to work on the other side. That is exactly what I needed. Exactly. And I'm going to get a lot of years of use out of that. Alrighty. If you want one of these, contact me at bctruck@gmail.com. I can get you one of these for 140 bucks. That's including shipping, and shipping is anywhere between 14 and 25 bucks because it's pretty heavy. So, but 140 bucks includes shipping. Let me know if you want one. Chuck Ward Knife Maker's Vise. That also includes the additional part there for the for putting in your vise. I forgot to mention, you can also mount them sideways. You can put the knife in it sideways if you wanted to sand on the handle this way. Or if you wanted to move the blade out this way and you know, put a file on it or something. It's there's just nothing you can't do with this. My other vise had only moved one direction. It moved like this, up like that. And if you wanted to work on the bottom side of the blade, you had to take the blade out and turn it over. This one, all you gotta do is do this. And you're working on the bottom side of the blade. Perfect. I'm very happy with it. Okay, now I'm done. Thanks for watching, y'all. All right, here's my first ignition of my new forge. Gotta let it warm up. Alright, I got all three burning, but I'm gonna give it a minute to warm up. me double check my pressure, see what I can. Sounds like a jet. Just started warming up now. It's really getting hot now. Well, I have 3 blades that I got to put bevels on right now. I don't have anything to quench in, and I haven't found a bucket to put my quench oil in. So this is just a cranking it up and seeing how it runs video. It runs good, and it is really cooking now. Get a magnet. I can't find my magnet that I had for testing for proper temperature. Okay, we're going to shut it down. Nice. All right, I can't wait to use it. It cranks. It runs. It will kill. Okay.